We're at 10192 Castleberry. This is located off of Highway 90 and Beulah Road. We're standing in front of the front door here. We have our great room in front of us. And you can see our French doors to our backyard, our kitchen and dining area. And to the right of the front door is our formal dining area. So this is facing the front of the home. You can see our front door there. Now this door here to the left goes to our office space or den or playroom, again facing the front of the home. There is carpet in all of the bedrooms and this office. Now if we go through these doors, we'll go to our guest bedrooms, but we're going to turn into the kitchen first. So here is that kitchen space. We have a large island. We do have all the appliances. And then our breakfast nook. And here is another view of that kitchen space. And there is that living room again. Now if we go towards the front of the house again, we'll come to our large pantry. This is just off of the kitchen. And then also off of the kitchen, we have our laundry room and our garage to our 2-car garage. We'll take you to the master suite now. So we're going to go through the kitchen. And here's that master suite. So this is on the back of the home. We have nice raised ceilings. Again, carpet in the bedrooms. And we do have our ensuite. So to our immediate left, we have our commode room. And then we have our vanity, and we have our garden tub, and a stand-up shower as well. And then at the end, we have our large walk-in closet. So if we turn around here, you can see we have a towel closet behind our main entry door. And then there's our tub again. Heading back out, we're going to go back through the master suite, back into our kitchen, and we're going to cross to the other side of the home. So we're going through the living area. We have this doorway here to close it off for some extra privacy. In our center view here, we have the first guest bedroom. This is on the back of the home. And if we go left, we have our second guest bedroom. Again, nice large size, perfect lighting for some kids. And then if we go towards the back of the house to the right, we have our first guest bathroom. So this has a walk-in shower. We do have access to our backyard from this bathroom as well. Heading back out into the living area, we're going to walk towards the front of the home and we're going to take a right. Again, another door for some extra privacy. This would be great guest quarters. So we have our bathroom here with a tub, perfect for kids there. Another towel closet. And then on the front of the home, we have our last bedroom. Coming back out now, we'll go to the backyard. So we're going to go through the living area to our French doors. We do have a covered patio, and then we have a large enclosed backyard. So here is that patio space, and then here is that backyard. Heading back inside now. Again, this is 10192 Castleberry, offered by Barron's Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at barronspm.com.